Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Today we're going to be going through my empty house tour. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, well, first of all, I wanted to say thank you so much to our sponsor Squarespace. But if you don't follow me on Instagram, then you probably don't know. I think it's been over a week now. We lost power at our studio apartment and we literally got the keys to the house the day before. And luckily the house didn't lose power. So Brandon, Lucy, Ernie, and I all had to sleep on the floor of the house for heat for 2 nights. And then we were so tired and winded that we all were kind of getting sick, but I just thought it was from just a crazy 3 full days of no power or Wi-Fi or whatever. I know Wi-Fi is not a big deal, but you get what I mean. So we go back to the apartment, the power comes on, and then Brandon's starting to get really sick and he tests positive for COVID. He was out of commission for 3 days and I was quarantining in the apartment because I had been exposed and Lucy had been exposed. Thank God Lucy just had a little bit of a sneeze and a cough, but she more than fine. And then 2 days ago, I got a fever of over 100. I was out for the count for only 12 hours though, and I'm still COVID positive, but I feel fine now. So that's that. And that's why I've been off of YouTube for a minute. So there's all that. But welcome to the house. Let's just get into it. So the person who lived here before was the original owner. They had amazing interior design and style, just fits me to a T. There are some small renovations that I do want to do, but overall I want to keep the intact of this house and I want it to keep this mid-century modern look. Okay, let's get into the house. This is the front door. It is the original front door. I think this house was built 1955, around that time. You're gonna see that there's carpet in every single room. There's carpet in the bathrooms. There's carpet in the kitchen. It is so funny to me, but underneath the carpet is either tile or finished hardwood floors, except for the kitchen. Under the kitchen carpet is more carpet, which is just so funny to me. Okay, so all the is this teak or pine? I don't remember. Details will be staying. I will not be painting them white. Don't worry. They are so beautiful to me. Especially, I'm trying to film this pretty quickly because we've got a baby at home. This front cutout detail, so cute to put your knickknacks and stuff. I've seen so many houses. There's a lot of houses like this where I live, but they're completely painted white and gray and destroyed. So I'm so happy I finally found an untouched house and I'm able to keep it this way. Right off the front door, we have the living room with these really pretty windows. And the ceiling, I want to show you guys, is this super cool, what's it called? Angled ceiling. You can't even see how tall the ceilings are. They're probably oh God, I'm so bad at this stuff. 12-foot ceilings, but this side is 8 feet to 12 feet. My dad's gonna laugh at my measurements because they're so wrong. Okay, but then these little chairs, there's 2 of them. The other one's covered in my stuff right now because there's really no furniture in here. This was the owner's chairs that they had in the house. And with buying this house, in the contract, I asked for these 2 chairs and a coffee table and then 2 appliances. These chairs will be staying in the house. They are so perfect, Danish, amazing condition chairs. I'm so excited. I get to keep them because these go for $400 online. They're insane. So here you can see that the ceiling's kind of angled. And then down here is one of the coffee tables. My mom actually bought this one. She just wanted to make sure I kept it. It wasn't the one that I picked out from looking at the house, but I think it'll stay in the living room and I'm really excited about that. Hi, Beanie. Okay, then over here we have this little nook that is supposed to be the dining room. It's really tiny. This house it's the perfect size for my family right now. Like I said, we had to sleep here, so we brought a little pop-up changing table and sleep and toy thing for Lucy, and we just kind of kept it here. But I've got plans for this area. I think removing all these blinds, first of all, those kind of things are givens, and then switching out the light fixtures, just little things to help modern it, but whatever. I think this as a little bar area entertaining spot will be really cute because I don't think we need a dining table. Hi, Beanie! Pocket doors. Unpainted pocket doors. You don't know how hard that is to find now where I live. Everyone just paints the whole pocket door white and it just infuriates me, or removes the pocket door. Everybody wants an open concept. Not me. I like rooms. especially after living in a studio apartment. I'm like, why do you guys not want rooms? I want every room to be separated. Let's get in the kitchen though. Okay, like I keep saying, there's kind of some junk everywhere because we had to live here for 3 days and just like brought the bare necessities, and then we were like, why would we bring everything back home? But we're in the kitchen right now. Do you see what's next to me? This is the original fridge and it is baby pink. They've got baby pink counters that are so cute. These wood cabinets. I like can't believe how adorable this kitchen is. This is like a very fast walkthrough, but you're gonna see like the whole renovation process. And when I say renovating, you know what I mean. So then the family room or living room, I always get confused which is which, is behind me. We've got so many built-ins here. This is another like built-in little butler's pantry. Is that what it's called? I don't really know. And then this is actually where the fridge is supposed to go. So the people who lived here before me, when I was at the signing, the closing, the person who was selling the house told me that they never really cooked. So they took the stove downstairs. So the stove and oven is downstairs, but it's also this super cute pink retro stove that I ended up keeping, and I'll bring it back up here and it will go where the fridge is. And then the fridge will go back in this original spot. So there will be some like configuration like that, but it's just going back to original. And then right here is a bay window, and look at this light. How cute is it? I think I want to put it in the baby's room because it's like so cutie, and I feel like it'll just fit perfectly there. This is obviously where the dining table goes. I think it'd be really cute to do like a bench breakfast nook area, and Ernie already loves looking out this window. There are so many windows for Ernie to look out. I want to show you guys the floor under this carpet. Look at that, more carpet. That's so funny to me. So I'm gonna have to get tile or linoleum or vinyl for this kitchen. Over here, just more part of the kitchen. You can see there's just more cabinets, little shelving, and it's freaking adorable. I hope this layout's making sense. Off the kitchen, we have a step down to a door, and then downstairs, which is the basement. I don't know if I want to go in the basement right now, you guys. I'm here alone, or just with Ernie. And you know, like, it just doesn't feel like my house yet. So I'm not like comfortable, and the basement like isn't redone. It's a unfinished basement, and like the door to downstairs is closed right now, and it just looks creepy. I'm such a baby. But like, look, that's the basement. I don't think I'm going down there right now. Also, there's nothing to see. I would just show you the stove and oven, but I'll just insert a picture. It's really cute. Okay, so this is the only bathroom that I'm not obsessed with. I am obsessed with the pocket door though. It just makes sense. So this bathroom, I'm pretty sure it's redone. This isn't like the original bathroom. It's got, normally I would like this kind of paneling, but I think this tone of it, or just some cobwebs, it's just not exactly my favorite. So I think we'll be pulling that out and just kind of painting this bathroom, but I will be keeping the tile, which is so cute. Let me show you. Like I told you, every room is carpeted in here, but this one's not stuck. And look at that tile underneath. Like, I have to show that tile. Then we've got the maroon toilet, not my favorite. I do really like this sink. This kind of like pink marble I think is so pretty. So I might keep the sink, and then I probably would just paint, I don't know, I might paint this, or maybe I'll just like switch out the hardware. That could work. I think for how much I don't want to change, like I can justify changing just the, like taking off the wallpaper, because the wallpaper is going to go everywhere, because there's just some parts that are a little bit too like worn down that can't be fixed. Okay, I have to pee so bad, so I'm gonna go in the other bathroom because I've never peed in that bathroom. So off of the kitchen, there's actually a door wall. Some of these light switches are backwards. Oh, that's why there's 2 light switches in here. That's funny. So this room's off of the kitchen, and I don't know if there used to be a door here, because this is technically a bedroom, but the people who lived here turned it into like a living room. So there's that. They also put in a door wall here, which I actually do really like for just the ease of letting Ernie in and out, but it does make this room get pretty cold. I'm thinking this room will be like another TV room, kind of like more fun room, playroom kind of thing. Then looking on the other side of the room, look at this wall unit. How cool is this? I want to move this into the family room, living room. I still don't know what it is because it's so cool. And if this is more of a playroom, I really don't want this big thing where babies crawling around. Also, this comes out. It's a little bit broken, but it's supposed to be like level, and you treat it as like a bar table cart kind of thing, which I think would be so cute in that little nook of the living room. Like I said, there's just so many closets in here, and they're actually huge. But yeah, really nice room. So something that I want to show you guys because I want to remember it myself, and that's kind of why I'm doing this video. The person who lived here, so like I said, see there's a door getting out of this room. They cut out like all these like funky little curves in the carpet, and you can see the hardwood wood is already finished underneath, and we pulled it up to double check. But I think it's just so like cute. The carpet's obviously gotta go just because it's been here forever, and I don't want a baby crawling on it. Look at that boy, already loving the sun. Yes, I brought Ernie. Now we're in the hallway, and as you saw, it connects to the living room. So many built-ins in here, like this super nice linen closet. The person who lived here, they left a Benefit eyebrow pencil, and I know they were older, and I just think it's so cool that she was using Benefit. I don't know. Okay, but behind you is the bathroom that is to die for. It is this super cute, I don't know if you can see me, I'm gonna have you guys come the other way. It's the most perfect yellow bathroom with some really funky wallpaper on there. I will be removing because you can just see it pulling up and it's not perfectly intact anymore, but it's got the infamous like this era pink tiles. The sink is so low. Look how low this sink is. But I want to keep it because I just like this whole look. The counter almost looks like a terrazzo, which I know is like super trendy right now and will probably go out of style again. Like it's like trendy to me right now, this type of kitchen, and will probably go out of style again. But like I just love the idea of just keeping it as is. You can see the little terrazzo here. Pretty cute. I love it. And then if you look this way, oh hi, the cutest little yellow toilet. Definitely keeping. I just think it's adorable. And the person who lived here again kept everything so clean. We've still got like all the built-ins. Like I said, I had to stay here, so my skincare is there. All the little built-ins are still intact. So cute. And the only thing that's like remodeled is the shower. It obviously used to be just like a yellow tub, and they took it out. That's okay, it's clean. Kind of sucks, no tub for a baby, but whatever. And then I want to show you guys the yellow tile underneath. Sorry, my mic is swinging. It's hard to do this myself. The yellow tile underneath. So cute. Let's go to the master bedroom. So this is the hallway, and I don't know if you can see here. You can see the angled ceilings just go all around the house, obviously, because the roof is just angled. And they've got this really cool like mirrored tile here, and I think I'm just gonna keep it because why not? As you can see in the hallway, all the trim is still wood, which I really like, but in the 3 bedrooms, the trim is painted. So it kind of gives me like, I have to paint the trim. I'm not going to strip it. That just like is too much. But I want to do like the funky trim color, like in the, one second. I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay, here's the master bedroom. It's pretty huge, honestly. They have this really cute floral wallpaper in here. And it's carpeted again, but we will get rid of that. Look at this closet. How tall it is. It makes me so excited. It actually goes pretty deep and like up even higher because this is the high ceiling side and then you guys are at the low ceiling side. These closet doors are the like coolest thing I've ever seen. I want to show you guys again look at the cutout of the carpet. Like how funky is that? Obviously it's going, but I just want you to like remember it. I think painting like this room just all baby blue, including the trim and the ceiling, would be so fun, but like leaving the door obviously to be that pine color, and then I would never touch the other original doors. And then coming to baby's room. So a lot of stuff was left in here, but this room's already like baby pink, and obviously I'm gonna repaint it because the walls are just a little scuffed up and stuff, but I think it'd be fun to just like pay homage and keep it baby pink. Look at the carpet in here. It is so like 70s and just so cool. I love it, but again, it's gonna go because it's pretty old. Then over here, my dad bought this couch that was here and he's gonna resell it. And then this is the coffee table that I wanted to keep. It's like a long bench and I think it's so freaking cool, Danish, whatever. And then closet doors. This room for the baby room, I think it would be really cool to, cause see the trim's already painted, so I don't feel guilty painting it. Like maybe if we do pink and then like blue trim or pink and green trim, like just make it really like funky, cause I have the excuse to. Okay, what else do I have to show? That's the whole house. I don't know why I'm like confused. That went by a lot faster than I thought, but I didn't show you guys the basement because there's no reason to. I'm gonna let Ernie run around the backyard, which is, you know, his favorite part, and that the front room gets light all day, like direct sunlight. Oh my God, I still got a pee-pee. But that's it for this video. Pretty quick run through. I'm excited to show you guys, you know, just the small little touches we do to make this home feel a bit more modern, but still like a little time capsule. It's gonna be amazing, honestly. I can't wait. And hopefully it'll inspire people maybe online to not come in and just fully gut these homes, because if you want a gray box of a home, just buy a gray box of a home. Don't take these homes with so much character and just strip it of that. I just think it's rude, honestly. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's get into the Squarespace sponsorship. I've been using Squarespace since college. I used it to design my portfolio when I was job hunting. Squarespace is a perfect place to keep all of your documents in one place and well organized. I know so many of you guys have recently graduated or are graduating this year, and it's really important if you're going into something creative to have an online portfolio, and Squarespace is definitely the place to do that. Along with portfolios, another aspect of Squarespace that I love and know all of you will appreciate is the ability to connect all your social media accounts. Our creativity comes from so many different medias now. It's important to have a place where they can all come together and be found with ease. Squarespace allows you to display posts from your social profiles on your website, automatically push website content to your favorite social media channels as your followers can share it too. An important backbone to any successful growth on the internet has to be analytics. Squarespace gains powerful insights about your site's visitors and how they interact with your content with the analytics tools. Learn more about your page views, traffic sources, time on site, most read content, audience geography, and more. If you've ever thought about curating an online portfolio or starting a social media presence, check out squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/LaineyOzark to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. I can't recommend Squarespace enough. Definitely check them out. And that's it for this video. I love you guys so much. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of the house. Bye.